Hello everyone, welcome to TinTin's Adventure channel. I'm here at Landmark 81. So behind me, that's the landmark. They spent around 40,000 billion Vietnam to build that one. And now it's the top building in South Asia. Two really beautiful cars they put inside Landmark 81. I came here to buy one, but the owner say they don't have the green color that I love. So okay, I can't wait for the next time. Yeah. This is the way to buy the tickets to go SAIGON Skydash Field in Medical Tower. Ooh, looks so cool, right? So I'm here in Saigon now, but tomorrow I will traveling around Asia on 8th month. But I will stop by Indonesia for my last surgery in Lombok because, as you guys know, last year I got an accident in Indonesia. Yes, so follow me, subscribe my channel, and see more adventure, more great video and photo around Asia. Thank you so much.